Come test drive this 2004 Mazda 6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.